So we're in Clovis, California, taking a look at a little project here that homeowner would like to get some gas over to the laundry room. The dividing wall between the kitchen and the laundry room sits at about this light. That's the kitchen window. That's the light. And there's a partition about right here. They have a tankless water heater installed in this location. Right around the corner is the gas main. So that's propane line coming in 1 inch through the slab, 1.25 inches into the wall. And inside here, I can see a T on the line. Hopefully you can too. So that looks like something in that gas line's in the way, so I can't get you a better picture, but it looks like the 3/4 comes down, bullheads comes down 90s, bullheads into a T, comes over, serves the water heater, and then also stubs out of the wall right here. And so that's what you've got. This guy right there, that's a 1/2 inch cap. So it's a great location to tie in. Dryers usually about 35,000 BTUs. The only challenge is you've got an eave, a regular eave sitting right here. And so we could bring it up and go as tight as we can to the eave and start strapping. But once we hit the end of this roof line, the eave ends right there. And then we'll need to jump up and get up on top of your ceiling. Normally we come out and we mount right to exterior wall, but exterior wall is normally going to be a wood siding or stucco. You've got this beautiful stonework out here, but it's in and out, in and out. So it's not real easy to strap to this. So 2 options. 1, take it right off the water heater, come up to this eave, offset again, get up on this stucco ceiling right here, come over, and then right here, like I say, few little stones right there at the top, 1, 2, and maybe that one right there. Pop those out, you know, get the mortar, the cement out, pop those stones out, save them, and that way we can access the wall cavity between finished drywall inside the laundry room and exterior. So take a rigid pipe through the outside wall and then a corrugated stainless steel tubing inside of the wall over to the laundry room. Inside the laundry room, we'll have to cut back probably a full bay, which is going to be over here in the corner, from the wall out to where this electrical is mounted. So that bay will be open from underside of cabinet down to bottom, probably stay up above baseboard, and then we'll get a corrugated stainless steel tubing in there. It's by gas tight, and then stub out rigid, give you a gas line, and then you get your dryer tied in. So that's what we're thinking about doing down here on the far end. It's a 3/4 line. We believe it's under pressure. There's no reason for it not to be. And they ran it all the way down, brought it out, stubbed it here. So 3/4 line. Also, that's a potential. A little bit easier because we can go straight up and attach it to the ceiling and then run it down. So both locations are about the same distance. So if we're standing here, you can see that's the light. That's the kitchen window. Just to the left of that light is the dryer. And then over there, water heater. Over there, gas stub out next to the fireplace. So either way, it's going to be the same amount of work, same amount of tubing. Get it up, get it in the wall, and get it stubbed out. So any questions, give us a holler. Outside of that, this inspection is done.